Now to the trial of Hunter Biden on felony gun charges. A jury has been seated in this unprecedented case, and opening statements are set to begin this morning. Our senior national correspondent Terry Moran is at the courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware for us. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning, Michael. Prosecutors say this is a simple case and it's moving quickly. The judge, as you mentioned, seating a jury in just one day. And after those opening statements, these jurors will hear from the first witness, an FBI agent who will testify about some of Hunter Biden's text messages. This morning, the trial of Hunter Biden gets underway with opening statements from both sides. 6 men and 6 women will weigh the evidence against Hunter Biden, who faces 3 felony gun charges. Prosecutors say in October 2018, he illegally purchased a Colt revolver while he was addicted to drugs, lying on his federal form. The jury that's been seated for this case includes several people with family members who suffered from addiction or who owned firearms, including a man whose father died by gun violence and whose brother was sentenced to prison for drug crimes, and a woman whose sister was addicted to drugs and committed credit card fraud.
A person like that, especially the foreperson, can be very sympathetic to Hunter Biden's cause.
Later today, prosecutors are expected to call an FBI agent as their first witness, who will present several of Hunter Biden's text messages and excerpts from his memoir, part of the prosecution's evidence that Biden knew he was an addict when he bought the gun. But Biden's lawyers have argued that the form he had to fill out is confusing, and so their client did not knowingly lie. In a state as small as Delaware, it wasn't easy to find jurors who didn't have a strong opinion of the president and his family. One prospective juror telling the judge, "You can't swing a cat without hearing something about the Bidens." Also in the courtroom, First Lady Jill Biden, Hunter's sister Ashley, and his wife Melissa. Hunter Biden at times growing emotional seeing his family at his side. He said in the past that they saved his life.
During my battle with addiction, my parents were there for me. They literally saved my life.
President Biden released a statement. In it, he said, as president, he can't comment on the case. But he also said this. He said, "I am the president, but I am also a dad. As a dad, I have boundless love for my son." George?
Terry Moran, thanks. Now to attorney